Hello everyone. Today I want to share my journey and roadmap for machine learning. Most people quit machine learning within the first month because they drown in math or get bored of the theory. I am a student and I have to say in 2026 the old roadmap don't work anymore. So today I will share the exact roadmap which I am personally following to grow from fundamental to building real AI agents without fake promises or expert ego. The first step in this roadmap is Python because in the AI ML field, Python is the widely used language still now. To learn Python, personally, I follow the 80-20 rules. 80% of the basics and 20% of the advanced. But I have to say, you must have to familiar with concept like object-oriented programming, loops, function, file handling. Moreover, the basics you must familiar with. For learning Python, you can follow the Greek for Greeks official documentation or the official documentation of Python, or you can find courses on YouTube. The next thing I am following on the data science library of Python like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. In 2026, you don't need to be master in Python, but you must know how to manipulate real world data. If you can't clean a messy Excel sheet with Pandas, you will never be able to train a model. While I am learning this stuff, I spending 2 weeks just for those libraries before I touch a single algorithm in machine learning. To learn those library, you can definitely check out on YouTube. Those are very good for understanding the concept. So, in this roadmap, our next step is math. Everyone says you need high level math. Honestly, as a beginner, I am only focusing more on intuition. I am learning what gradient descent feels like visually, how probability works for classification, and the basics of linear algebra like matrix multiplication, etc. I am not trying to be a mathematician in this field. I am trying to be an engineer. If I need a complex formula later, I simply search for it or go for it or I look it up. Don't let the math scare you away from the starting. Let's start, let's build. Step 3 in this roadmap in classic machine learning algorithm. Here, actually, the machine learning algorithm comes to play. We have to learn linear regression, random forest, and XBoost like algorithm. Those are still used in the industry. But there is a catch in 2026. I am also learning how to use LLM as reasoning engines. I want to learn how to make a classic model and plug it into AI agent. My goal is not just to make a prediction, it's to build a system that does something with that prediction. For learning the basics of machine learning, you can follow the crash course of machine learning by Google. This is a good one for learning. The step 4 in this roadmap is project. This is where I failed before. I used to just copy pasting Kaggle code. But now I follow the one messy dataset rule. I find a dataset that is broken, ugly, and real life local traffic data or my own Spotify history and I try to find a pattern. If it does not work on my own data, I have not learned it. My first big project is CareerSync AI, AI powered resume analyzer. Here the GitHub repo, if you want, look for it. If you want to get familiar with machine learning, you should work on real world project that's actually solve the real world problem. Step 5 is consistency. This is the most important thing and there most of the students fail. You need to be consistent. I don't study 8 hours a day. I have classes and a life. I am aiming for 1 hour of deep work daily. Someday I will just be debugging a library error for 60 minutes. And that is fine. That is what actually ML looks like. If you tired of the AI is easy hype and just want to see someone actually learn and hard way to follow along, I will be posting my progress, my errors and my finished project here. No hype, just code. If you are starting your journey today, drop a comment. Let's see where we are in future. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.